Okay, for exercise 2 in chapter 3, we're going to be building on top of the strings presentation. And in this exercise, what we're going to do, we're going to get the string input, and then we're going to go ahead and print out the string character by character, both the character value in the string as well as the numerical value. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a string. We'll call it input. And let's go ahead and prompt the user to enter something. So please enter a word. And then we'll go ahead and grab it into input. And then we're going to do for each iteration. So I'm going to say for character C in input, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and print out the character, and then we're also going to print out its ASCII value. So ASCII in ASCII is equal to, and this is where we cast it to an integer to get that value, and that is what we're going to be able to then show the numerical value of it. Let's go and just do one thing over here, the string line character by character. Make sure there's a sort of clear break there, and that's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and just return 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it now and see what we get. So let's go ahead and run it. Let's go ahead and enter a word. Let's say encyclopedia, if I can spell it. And we get E-N-C-Y and so on. We can see that all works. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. And let's say coffee, like this, and there we go. We can see the different values between the different Fs. And so we can see that the whole thing works, and we can go ahead and ship it.